dinosaur from my imagination. He came to LA on a boat and now he's in my kitchen. Danny is a dinosaur and he makes me breakfast. Danny is a dinosaur and I love Danny. Jersey is a dinosaur from Mandy's imagination. She saw her in a coloring book and now she rules the nation. Jersey is a dinosaur and Danny is the name. What song does he like? Ty, do you want to hear songs by The Weeknd? Together. Want to hear Bad Bunny? What's your song? What's going on, guys?
We have a rice and we have ice. rice and eyes. Very good eyes. I make the rice.
Are you guys sharing? Oh my god. Share. Share time.
Go.
By the way, don't forget, if you guys are looking for an amazing bird food brand for your bird that is healthy, organic, and not full of food colorings and sugar and peanut smash, check out Marlene's signature blend. I did this along with Top's Parrot food. We just launched in the UK. Northern Parrots now sells our food. You guys have been asking for it, you got it. Also, Things for Wings in Canada sells our bird food right now. I'm proud to announce, and they will ship it to you. I encourage you guys to check out my Feathered Fun Box. It's a passion project. It's a subscription box that comes with parrot toys for your bird and also special merch. Kind of like my dream box. Honestly, I put so much into it. I love that there's something like this for birds out in the world. That's why I created it. www.featheredfunbox.com. I love you guys so much. Thank you for listening.